Assalamu alaikum student. This is our fourth video of chapter 15, Scarcity of Water. In this video, we will complete short question answer from 6 to 10. Question number 6. What is rainwater harvesting? Heading: Rainwater harvesting. Rainwater can be used to recharge the groundwater by allowing to flow into a deep trench in soil. Thus, instead of going into the rivers, rainwater penetrates in the soil and increases the level of groundwater. This process is called rainwater harvesting. Question number 7. State the difference between the melting point of ice and freezing point of water. Column draw करेंगे. Number 1 heading: melting point of ice and freezing point of water. The temperature at which ice melts is called the melting point of ice. The temperature at which liquid water changes into ice or it freezes is called freezing point of water. Question number 8. What is the utility of dams? Heading: Utility of dams. Some rivers which depend on monsoon rain have very little water in summer. They become overflooded in rainy season. Dams are constructed in these rivers to prevent floods and to generate electricity. Question number 9. How do the three forms of water interchange? Answer: in free state, water occurs as solid, liquid, or gaseous forms. Full stop. These three states can be interchanged by increasing or decreasing temperature. Question number 10. What is water table? Water table. Centralize कीजिएगा definition. The level of groundwater is called water table. Students, मैं आपको लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन आंसर का क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 इस वीडियो में करवा रही हूँ. Question number 1. Describe the water cycle in nature with a suitable diagram. Heading: Water cycle. The sun, which drives the water cycle, heats up water in the ocean. Full stop. Therefore, the ocean water evaporates as vapors into the air. Full stop. Rising air current take these vapors up into the atmosphere, where cooler temperature cause it to condense into clouds. Full stop. Air currents move clouds around the globe. Full stop. These cloud particles collide, grow, and fall out of the sky as precipitation. Next para. A portion of the runoff water enters the river and flows towards the oceans. Much of it soaks into the ground by infiltration. Full stop. Over time, water returns to the ocean where the water cycle started. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 में फिगर 15.4 ड्रॉ करेंगे आप लोग.